And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 3 parts inside the frame in such a way that none of the openings will be see-through. Like there is a huge opening here, another one here, a large one here. So you have to fit all the parts so that when you look at the opening, there will be a part there. This is the Minima 11 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Frederic Boucher and made by Pelikan. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. If you like the Minima 11 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. To fit parts inside, you have to assemble them in like this shape, but you will start solving the puzzle with this piece. You put it inside like that. Then you have to rotate it once like that. You use this opening and this opening to do that. Then you rotate one more time, this time in this direction, and drop it down like that. Then you grab this piece, put it inside, rotate it once like that. It is very easy to do this rotation. Then you move it all the way to the left, lift this piece up, and now you have just enough space to fit the last piece. You put it inside, down, and all the way in, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, all openings are covered. And that was Minima 11 from the Frederic Boucher's Minima puzzle series. If you like this puzzle and you want to try other puzzles from the series, go to puzzlemaster.ca.